In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pictures to your Wix website. This is a great way to enhance the visual appeal and effectiveness of your site. Whether you're a designer showcasing your portfolio or a business wanting to add product images, this guide will walk you through the entire process smoothly. To begin, you'll want to head over to your Wix website editor. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not familiar, the Wix editor is your canvas, your playground where you weave the vision of your website with functional elements. Once you're inside the dashboard, have a quick look around and locate the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Yes, that's the one with all those colorful icons. Next, focus your attention on finding the Add button. This is where the magic happens. Click on this and you'll be greeted by a variety of elements you can add to your site, like text, buttons, and galleries. We're interested in images today, so keep your eyes peeled for that option. Now, click on the Image section. It should be one of the options nested under elements you can add. Images are vital as they offer a visual representation of your content. Once you hit that, you're given choices on how to upload your pictures. Here, we're met with two main options: Upload Images and Media from Wix. If you're planning to upload a personal photo or an image stored on your device, go ahead and select Upload from Computer. Simply click, and a window will pop up, allowing you to browse your files. Pick your desired image and confirm the upload. Easy, right? Remember to choose an image with a good resolution and massive load time for optimal website performance. Alternatively, if you want to explore beyond your own library, Wix offers a selection of stock images and illustrations under Media from Wix. You might find exactly what you need without the hassle of creating or purchasing one. Dive into various categories, and once you find the image that fits your vision, click on it. After choosing your image, look for the Add to Page button. Clicking this will seamlessly insert the image into your website. Now it's front and center, part of your website's DNA. You can drag it into position, resize it, or crop it according to your aesthetic needs. Take a moment to make sure it blends well with the overall design. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed your Wix site, adding that extra visual pop with some stunning images. Just remember to save your work and preview the changes to ensure everything is looking great. Keep experimenting and customizing, and your website will be truly unique in no time. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!